Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, we're going to do the weekly YesStyle, which we're going to try products for a week. We will see if it's effective. For this video, we will try this product. This is the Jumiso Let's Go Kit, and the Jumiso brand is a skincare Korean products. They have few skincare products, but the ingredients is and yung konti ng product na to is for which I believe na yung bestseller nila. We have Jumiso All Day Vitamin Clean and Mild. YesStyle Toner with AHA 5%. We also have the Jumiso All Day Vitamin Brightening and Balancing Serum. And we also have the Jumiso Have a Good Cream with Snail and Centella. So those four are we going to try within the whole week. So before we start, I have oily skin, and then my problem also is sebaceous filaments or blackheads and whiteheads, but I have few blackheads like 3, 4. They pop sometimes whenever I have important things to do in my life. But my real problem is the sebaceous filaments, where sometimes we think that it is a whiteheads, but it's not. And the ingredients that I need for what I need for my face is in here on this kit. So let's talk about first the cleanser. I'm already done trying out for a week, that's why ganda na yung itsura niya. So for the cleanser, it states here that it is clean and mild, which is true. Hindi siya nagfo-foam. I prefer the foamy ones, but I love about this is the scent. It smells like orange. When you peel the orange, it smells exactly like that. And it has vitamin 3 extract, low pH, and it also has salicylic acid, which will help for dead skin cells and the buildup of acne such as blackheads. It is also antibacterial and all good for all skin types, not just for like mine, which is oily skin. So it is okay if you have sensitive, dry skin, especially for dry skin if you're skeptical on getting this because it's not really drying. It leaves moisture to your face after you cleanse your face using this. It can also brighten your face, which I agree, because after you cleanse your face, you feel like there's brightening effect when you use this after. So you will just open this, squeeze, and then put it on your face and cleanse. And all of 4 out of the product, this is what I enjoy most to use because of this scent, which is the orange. It's like real orange scent. This is also vegan. Next one is the YesStyle Toner AHA 5%, all skin type, alcohol free, and pore refining. And the AHA 5% is the lactic and glycolic acid, which I know na okay siya for sebaceous filament. It is a gentle exfoliator since it only has 5%, which is very great for beginners. And it controls the oil, which is my problem, and good for blackheads and getting away the dead skin cells. So since it's gentle, this is for all skin type and hindi rin siya ganun ka-dry. So pwede siya sa dry skin, oily skin because it controls the oiliness, and for the sensitive skin since it only has 5% of AHA. You will just open the cap, put it on the cotton pad, and then wipe it. More on distributing the toner, not really to second cleanse your face, because you don't want to strip out the natural moisture on your face. So this is the YesStyle Toner of Jumiso. Next we have the Jumiso All Day Vitamin Brightening and Balancing Facial Serum. Look how tiny is this. It's so cute. It only has a 5 ml, and it's also vegan. And naubos ko to for, I guess, for the fourth day because I'm using it day and night. So, kaya mabilis siya naubos. And I love this serum so much. Hindi siya ganun na nag-sting sa face ko kasi I've used vitamin C serum before and medyo mahapdi siya. So, medyo natakot ako dito. But then again, It's very gentle on my face. So this serum will do is to brighten your skin, to nourish and moisturize it, and to soothe the acne when you're having a breakout. And it suits for all skin type again, since this one is very mild. What it helps to brighten your face, or yung mga dark spot, yun yung mga gusto natin ipa-brighten ng faster, is the niacinamide, because it has 20,000 ppm or 2% lang ng niacinamide yung meron sa ingredients ito, which is great if you have sensitive skin. It doesn't have a water content, 0%, but what it makes watery is the vitamin 3 extract, which contains 86.14%. Para pure yung ingredients na meron sa serum na to. So that vitamin 3 extract helps to soothe, anti-inflammatory, brightening, and helps to wound healing, especially kapag meron tayong mga active acne. Like here, I have here, here. Nung tinry ko tong products na to, ano pa siya, may bump pa siya, but now it's flattened and lighter. Mabilis siya nag-lighten. So this is the Jumiso All Day Vitamin Brightening and Balancing Facial Serum. Tiny but powerful. Last product is the Jumiso Have a Good Cream Snail and Centella. So this one is for all skin types again, and this is hydrating and soothing. So I have a downside personally using this, because when I use this, the soothing effect, I kinda don't like it. It has that cold feels but not cooling effect, kind of milder. But I feel like whenever I use this, parang hindi naman niya nakaklag yung pores ko, but it feels like just sitting on my face. But after like 5 minutes of putting it on my face, it will like dries down. But what I like about this, it is little goes a long way. Paglagay mo ng product and then lagay mo sa kamay mo, parang siyang cream, but once you distribute it, it becomes gel to water. So that's why it little go a long way. Onting product lang, then you're good to go. But most likely, I will suggest this to dry skin types, because it's very moisturizing and hydrating. And maganda siya for if you have an irritation or pimple that is active, masasubside niya yun. So this one will suit your skin if you have like acne, especially sa mga cheeks, and will moisturize it and improves skin elasticity because it has snail, and because of the centella, that's why it will suit your skin and subside it, like papakalmahin niya. And I use it every day and night, but I preferred using it at night kasi nga medyo parang heavy siya sa face ko, but I can work with it after 5 minutes. And this product, after like 7 days, I still use it. 11th day. So, nagamit ko pa rin siya kasi nga a little goes a long way lang. Those 4 products that are included on this kit, so yun yung mga gagawa niya sa face natin. What are the key ingredients and all. So, these are the videos throughout the week, trying it and see it for yourself kung meron bang improvement sa face ko. So guys, trying out new products for a week, hindi mo talaga makikita yung result agad-agad. But what I can say right now is yung feeling using it and the ingredients. I will rank the 4 products in here. So my first is this serum. I really like it. Now I get it bakit overhype siya or lagi ko siya nakikita because this one is really good. And I really recommend this to all skin types out there. If naisip nyo na to get this, then this is the sign. But of course, get the full size na because the downside of trying trial products or the mini sizes is when you like the product, ayan na yung magagamit mo. So this is my top 1, the serum. So my top 2 is the Jumiso All Day Vitamin Clean and Mild. Although I prefer the foamy cleansers, but this one, what I love about this again is the scent. It is like exact real orange scent when you peel the orange. It really smells like that. That's why I enjoyed using this. And it's mild, that's why I also like it because you know it won't irritate my skin and strip away the natural moisture that I want and I need. This is my top 2 and my top 3 is of course the toner. Although I still have it like around this one because I use it every other day, not every day since it has the acid ingredients which are the AHA or the lactic and glycolic acid. And while using this, I use it only at night, and then in the morning of course we have to use sunscreen with SPF 50 PA+++++. We have to protect our skin. Even hindi ka mag-acid ingredients for your skincare, we always have to use sunscreen. So yeah, this is the YesStyle toner. I like it because it doesn't feel so dry to my face after using it because I've used some toner with acid ingredients for dead skin cells, which is very drying to my face. And even though I have oily skin, I don't like that. This is my top 3. And of course, the last one is the Jumiso Have a Good Cream. I put it on the last, not because I don't like it, but I just don't like the feeling of it. But after 5 minutes, I mean, it has like a good feeling on my face. I feel very moisturized, hydrated, and ayun din yung parang nasa subside niya yung mga acnes ko, and that's a plus. So guys, this is the Jumiso Let's Go kit. You can get the full size of it, and I will link down below where you can get this product. Let me know in the comment section down below on which product we should try for a week. So guys, thank you for watching and see you again on my next video. Bye!